Okay, my friends, so let's take a look at this warm-up now that you've had a chance to kind of go through it. It looks like, okay, Bob's saving account balance. All right, let's take a look at this graph real quick. Horizontal axis, months since Bob opened the account. All right, so 0 must be when he started, and then 1 month later, 2 months later. Okay, I'm with you so far. Beck, balance in dollars. Okay, so that's how much money I guess is in the account after a certain period of time. So after 1 month, it looks to be maybe $400. Oh, you can actually see it. I don't know. Hopefully you can see that on the video. If this must be an embedded Excel spreadsheet, which means I can point at a point with my mouse. Unfortunately, you didn't have that, I don't think, ability. Well, maybe you did. I don't know. I hope maybe you can see that too. It doesn't matter. We'll deal with it here in a second. Bob is a college student who opened a savings account last year and started depositing. Okay, good. To make this simpler, we're assuming the account doesn't earn any interest, which that does make it simpler. We'll deal with that in a couple weeks in 105, which is the realistic way to save money. Bob deposits the same amount from his check each month. How much is that? Hint, look for the 2 points that cross the scatter plots grid in nice places. Okay, I think I know what Becky's getting after here. So if you look up at this graph, it looks like the nice places are at month 3, where it looks to be 1,000, and then at month 8, where it looks to be 2,500. So from month 3 to month 8, that's 5 months, and the account has gone up $1,500 in 5 months because it goes from 1,000 to 2,500. So $1,500 over the course of 5 months is going to be $300 a month. Now, we can check that because Becky was nice enough to put the Excel spreadsheet embedded in here. So if I point at these things, we can actually look at how much is in each month. So in month 4, there were $1,300 in the account, and in month 5 there were $1,600, and in month 6 I bet you there were $1,900. Yeah, so we can check that answer against that. Yay us! Okay, so $300 a month in the account. 1,500 divided by 5. Okay. How much money must Bob have deposited in the account to open it? Now, I guesstimated that first point up there was $400. And now we can double check that real quick here. And yep, it is right there. You can see it, a little $400. So remember, he deposits $300 in the account every month. So that's $400, which means he must have started it with $100. All right. If Bob kept making the same size of deposit into his account for the next 6 months, up to month 18, what would his balance be? Okay, well, we got up to month 12, right? And in month 12, it looks like he's sitting on $3,700. If he deposits $300 every month, we're going to get 6 more months. That's going to be an additional $1,800. Add that to that $3,700, and we're going to come in at what? $5,500. Let me check my math on that and make sure I did it right. I'm going to do the whole thing in a Google window. Give me 1 second here. Pull this, use Sean rule. Here we go. Bring it over here. So we're starting again with, we're starting with 3,700. I just lost my friggin' Chrome window. Where did it go? There it is. 3,700. All right. And we're adding 6 more months, and each month picks up $300, and we're, yep, $5,500. There you go. So there's your answers to the warm-up. It looks like Becky said there are many ways to solve this, and I bet you there are. That's the first way I thought. Now that we're good and warmed up with that, let's move into the main part of the lesson.